Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic reply in Outlook. On your Outlook account, tap on the three dots in this ribbon right here and then select Rules in the window that appears. Or you can just simply click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and Outlook will take you to the Mail Settings window. In the window that appears, navigate to the Layout section at the left side of the window and find Automatic Replies among the options. Click on it. Next, toggle Automatic Replies on and then proceed to typing in the message you want to appear on your automatic reply. After that, you may choose to send this during a specific time period if you'd like to send it on time periods that you are busy. There are conditions that would appear here and you can select which conditions apply for you. Another thing is that you can choose to send this automatic replies to the people on your contact list only. Just check this box right here if you find it suitable. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic reply on your Outlook account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!